Let's take a look at what happened with Tesla today. We closed at 252.35, up 4 cents, 0.02%. Post-market, we are down by 69 cents. Let's take a look at the facts, and then let's take a look at how we can profit from those facts. So we are still into a downward channel. We are going down. So if you buy here, also known as dollar cost averaging, you are buying high. You are not buying low and selling high. You are buying high in the hope that eventually you are going to go higher. So this is not optimal. When there's no stochastic on a stock, don't buy it. That's as simple as that. So you would have sold here. And yes, we had a little bit of a bump, but we came back down. So if you only look at one indicator, you would have sold at 383 and you would have saved at least $100 per share in your pocket. Yes, it's more work because we need to look at the stock every single day, but what else are we going to watch? Are we going to watch some soaps on TV? No, I don't think so. This is way too exciting, and this is real life. This is reality. Let's take a look at the 1 hour chart. So on the 1 hour chart, we are starting to see a pattern forming. We are making higher lows right here. But since last Thursday, we are still topping at 260.39. So this is a resistance, this is support, and something is going to happen. Either we do this or either we do that. So soon we are going to see something happen. And it could be before the earnings call. Because sometimes before earnings, we are having some movements. And on the 1 hour chart, we are tracking very small movements. And we can profit from them. Like we did not too long ago, right here on the 1 hour chart. We saw an accumulation right here. We saw at 238, we could not break above 238, but the stock price was making higher lows. What did happen? Boom, we broke this one. We entered, and then we had a nice run. So we are looking to do the same thing right here. Exact same thing, the same pattern is happening. This time we might break it at the bottom, and then we can short. But if we break it right here, then we can buy. And then we can ride it for a nice ride. So this is what we have on our radar. Let's take a look at the rest of the market. The VIX is down today. We are down 6.67, closed at 30.88. That's 17% down. Let's take a look at the 1 hour chart where we have a nice pattern also. We are trending down with the VIX. Yes, we have moves up, but we have moves down. We tend to go lower than the previous high, and the lows are lower too. So right now, we are at a juncture right here. We have some support here. If we break, this is going to be an indication that we are going to go lower faster. So this will make the stock market go higher faster. So we need to watch this too. Dow Jones is pulling back up. We had a big move up. Now we are pulling back up. We still don't believe yet that we are really going to go higher. So yes, we have over 60. We have this downward channel right here. Until we break this, then we can start thinking about maybe joining the buyers. But so far, we are interpreting this as just a pull up, and we could be shorting this very soon. So this is on our radar too. The same for SPX, the same for NASDAQ and Russell. Russell is just not there at all. Let's take a look at some Tesla news that are getting piped into our Discord server. Feds charge suspect in arson attack on New Mexico GOP Tesla. So this is great. Also, Tesla update brings adaptive high beam headlights to North America for cars older than 2022. Also, this is interesting news. Underrated Tesla safety feature recognized by China Automotive Research Institute. As per the China Automotive Research Institute, Teslas are not just safe from electromagnetic radiation. They are actually some of the safest vehicles in the market when it comes to radiation protection. So as per Tesla China VP Grace Tao in a post on Weibo, the idea that electric vehicles expose occupants to electromagnetic radiation is a product of misinformation. As per the Tesla executive, the Model 3's magnetic field strength near the driver and passenger's head in the cabin only reaches 0.08 to 1.3 micro, I don't know what is this, which is far lower than the magnetic field one would be exposed to if they use a conventional electric blanket. So this is interesting. I'm going to look into this. I am particularly interested in radiation for personal reasons. My mom recently passed away, and there's a correlation with the level of radio frequencies she was exposed to when sleeping. Correlation is not causation, but why chance it? So how did Tesla do it? First of all, our centralized electronic and electrical architecture reduces the number of wiring harnesses a lot, and shielded cables are added, blocking 99.9% of the electromagnetic field energy. This is Tesla talking. In addition, the network transmission antenna is installed outside the car, and the power of the Bluetooth transmitter is only a few milliwatts. So even if people in the car are equipped with pacemakers, they will not be interfered with, the Tesla VP wrote. This is really interesting information. This is the first time I hear this. I love this. And last but not least, Tesla launches stripped-down base Cybertruck at $72,235 amid disappointing sales. So yeah, the sales of Tesla have not been doing so well. So we could have some bad surprise at the earnings. Right now, as I said, we are having a little bit of a move up right here. If we threshold this, we can have a little bit of a run. And maybe because of the earnings call, we are going to be able to sell a bit before and then short this one down. We could be having a great next couple of weeks. Thank you very much for watching. Thank you for liking, commenting, subscribing. If you like what I do, you can become a YouTube member. Click on my TradingView affiliate link. I'm going to wish you a great evening. We are going to talk tomorrow, and I'm going to tell you à la prochaine.